What's up, YouTube? Mr. Anderson, aka Mr. Fully Auto, coming at you. And as you can see, the intro was a little different this time. Different episode. If anybody wonders why that intro was different, you would know if you would have watched the first video. My very first video explains the whole platform of this channel. So strap on your seatbelts, get ready. I'm going out to a secret location and we're gonna do some but I'm still fully auto, baby. We're out here on top of the world, ready to do this review. Great view, look at that. The middle of Mexico. All right, we're here reviewing the UTAS XTR 12 gauge shotgun. We're going to shoot it and review it. All right, explain this. Tell us the name of that one more time.
This is the UTAS XTR 12 gauge shotgun.
And it's based on the AR, right?
Based on the AR-15.
All right.
A 308 AR-15 platform, AR-10 if you will, but in 12.
Yeah. So this is my man Singh. This is my gun guy.
Fixing up with a little GoPro action here.
Ooh, that's gonna be nice. We'll be shooting down range here. We out in the middle of Mexico. Mexico, Alaska, that is. All right, tell us a little bit about the UTAS.
So yeah, gas operated 12 gauge shotgun. It's based on the AR-15 or the AR-10. The AR-10 is the 308 version of the AR-15, but this is a 12 gauge. The UTAS XTR 12 gauge.
Showstopper.
Bad motherfucker. No matter what the event is, it's a bad motherfucker. So we got an 18-inch barrel. We have a choke tube. This one's been modified to take an external choke tube, which is ported, cuts out the recoil. Comes with the flip up sights, collapsible stock, so you can fit it to fit your build. If you're a big guy, in close, smaller guy, or got really long arms, out like that. I like mine right in the middle, right about there.
All right.
The grip's been changed to an ergo grip. It's nice and rubbery. It takes the recoil well of this big 12 gauge. The mags are massive.
Yeesh. And how many rounds that hold?
10 rounds of 12 gauge.
And that's like you said, showstopper.
Showstopper. 2 3/4 or 3-inch bird shot, buckshot, slugs, whatever.
Ain't nobody coming through the door after that one.
Nobody.
Yeah.
This gun is also used for competition, and collectors themselves just like to have it, just to shoot. It's fun to shoot, which you will see. You have the rail system here, which you can add accessories, a light vertical foregrip. If you're into night vision and IR illuminators, that type of thing, all those bolt right on here, but you know that. And that's pretty much it.
All right. So let's get to the fun part.
All right.
Pop, pop, pop.
Get my ears on, because we'll go deaf with the 12 gauge.
Gotta have your ear protection. All firearms are not toys. Never point a gun at anything you do not intend to destroy. Period, point blank. See that? Gun safety, finger off the trigger, outside of the trigger guard at all times.
Going hot.
Oh shit.
Do it again.
That's on me. Is it empty? And that is a shotgun. Meaning the spread is what? What is the spread on this thing?
At that distance, with this choke tube, 12 inches.
And just so they know exactly what I mean by spread, what does that even mean?
A shotgun shoots out a pattern of BBs. And they spread out. When they spread out, that spread that we're talking about is the cone in which it expands at distance. So at this distance of 20 yards, we're talking about 12 inches, the way this is set up. So you're knocking down any steel targets, you're knocking down any clay pigeons, you're hitting any paper, rabbits,
yeah,
birds.
Yeah, whatever it is you need to hit, you're going to hit it.
Raccoons, rats.
And now you got 10 of them. 10. And the difference between this and a regular shotgun, you don't got to pump this. I ain't see you pump that at all.
No, there's no pumping action at all. This is a solid rail. It doesn't move.
So straight semi-automatic, just like as many times you pull the trigger, that's as many times that it's going to go off.
That is correct. It's not fully auto. Some people confuse semi-auto and a fully automatic, but no, one pull, one trigger pull, one round.
All right.
If you got a fast finger like me, you get a lot of rounds down range fast.
Yeah. Awesome mag. Look at that. That is a shotgun mag. Yes, a shotgun. How many rounds does this hold?
10 rounds.
10 rounds.
12 gauge.
12 gauge. This will absolutely shut down an intruder. You will absolutely have no more problems out of him. 10 rounds. You cannot miss 10 rounds with a shotgun. You just can't. All right, so we just finished shooting. Had a ridiculously fun day shooting with my man Singh. I want to shout out to him for that, man. We had a great time, but gun safety should never be taken lightly. Always, always, always use the utmost precautions when you're using firearms. Anytime you using a firearm, make sure that you're using the utmost precautions, and just make sure, like I said, always point the firearm in a safe direction. Always treat every firearm as if it's loaded. Only point the weapon at things that you wish to destroy. And then also keep your finger off the trigger, outside of the trigger guard, unless you're about to shoot. That's it. So follow them safety rules. That right there, that'll keep you the safest. But man, I'm Mr. Fully Auto, and I'm out of here.